Cruisers beware, because this one big mistake could ruin your cruise. If you don't know, my name is Peggy Lynn from oshipcruisetips.com, and this is the second video in the Biggest Mistakes Most Cruisers Make series. So let's get into this really big mistake. And this big mistake is flying in the same day of your cruise. So this is something I have mentioned many times, such as in my pre-embarkation tips blog and video, but again, this is a major no-no. But if you're thinking, oh, well, my cruise departs at 5 and I'm scheduled to arrive at noon, what could possibly go wrong? Well, I am here to tell you absolutely everything. From bad weather, mechanical issues, and even pilot shortages from your flight. I mean, these can get you delayed or even canceled. So please note that due to some traffic between the airport and the cruise terminal, your ability to check in could close by the time you run breathlessly into the cruise port. So my pro tip here is obviously don't risk missing the ship and give yourself a day just in case. I recommend flying into the port city the night before you set sail. Trust me, it's a total stress reliever. You can enjoy a nice dinner or utilize the hotel facilities, maybe even sleep in the next morning to have a nice leisurely start to your vacay. This is especially important to those cruisers when flying overseas because there's even more room for flight delays. Bonus is you can also get some extra time to sleep because you're going to be jet lagged, and thus you can be more refreshed once you board the ship. And if you think that just because you're driving this doesn't apply to you, think again. Anything can happen, and remember, there are thousands of cruise passengers all vying to get on that cruise ship on embarkation day. So do yourself a favor and get there early. Also, share this with your friend that you know likes to cut it close and warn them. Don't make this big mistake. Okay, now that you know about this one, click up here and go on to the next mistake that you shouldn't make. Until next time, bon voyage.